If you're ready to level up your photography or video game in 2025, you're in for a treat. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mirrorless cameras of the year, perfect for content creators, professionals, and beginners alike. From stunning image quality to lightning-fast autofocus, these picks deliver big. Drop a comment with your favorite camera brand, and don't forget to like, subscribe. Number 5, Sony a6700. The Sony a6700 is a feature-packed mirrorless camera that strikes an excellent balance between power and portability, making it a top pick for hybrid content creators. It comes with a 26MP APS-C sensor and the advanced Bionz XR processor, offering sharp image quality, fast performance, and impressive low-light capabilities. The highlight is its AI-powered autofocus system, which tracks eyes, faces, animals, and even vehicles with remarkable accuracy. For video creators, it supports 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with 10-bit color, making it perfect for high-quality vlogs or cinematic projects. With in-body stabilization, a fully articulating touchscreen, and solid battery life, the a6700 delivers pro-level results in a compact, travel-friendly form. Number 4, Panasonic Lumix S5 II. The Panasonic Lumix S5 II is a versatile full-frame mirrorless camera designed for serious hybrid creators, offering a major upgrade with its new face detection autofocus system for faster and more accurate subject tracking. It delivers excellent image quality with a 24MP sensor, strong low-light performance, and high-resolution video capabilities, including 6K at 30p and 4K at 60p in 10-bit 422. With in-body stabilization, active IS for smoother handheld video, and features like dual card slots, full-size HDMI, and a built-in cooling fan, it's built for demanding workflows. While the autofocus is a big leap forward, it still trails behind Sony in consistency, and some users report minor issues like JPEG plus RAW lag or audio noise. Still, for the price, the S5 II offers impressive value and performance for both video and photography needs. Number 3, Canon EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R5 Mark II is a high-end full-frame mirrorless camera designed for professionals, featuring a 45MP stacked BSI CMOS sensor and dual processors that deliver lightning-fast performance with blackout-free shooting at up to 30 frames per second. Its advanced dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system supports eye control autofocus and intelligent tracking for people, animals, and vehicles with remarkable precision. For video creators, it offers internal 8K/60p RAW and 4K/120p recording, with improved heat management for longer shoots. With up to 8.5 stops of in-body image stabilization, dual card slots, CF Express and SD, and refined ergonomics, the R5 Mark II is a powerful hybrid tool for both photography and videography, despite minor drawbacks like shorter battery life and occasional overheating under intense workloads. Number 2, Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 is a feature-packed APS-C mirrorless camera that delivers excellent performance for its price, making it ideal for beginners and content creators. It features a 24.2MP sensor and Digic-X processor, enabling fast 15 frames per second mechanical and 23 frames per second electronic burst shooting, along with uncropped 4K 30p, oversampled from 6K, and cropped 4K 60p video. Its dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system offers fast, accurate autofocus with subject tracking for people, animals, and vehicles. While it lacks in-body stabilization and weather sealing, the R10 stands out for its compact build, intuitive controls, and excellent autofocus performance, offering superb value for those entering the Canon mirrorless ecosystem. Number 1, Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is a powerful hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera that features a new partially stacked 24.5MP CMOS sensor and the X7 processor, delivering fast autofocus, 6K internal video, and up to 20 frames per second raw burst shooting. It inherits flagship-level AF performance from the Z9 and Z8, including subject detection for humans, animals, and vehicles, even in low light. The camera offers impressive video specs like oversampled 4K/60p, 6K and RAW, 10-bit ProRes, and Full HD at 240 frames per second slow motion. Its bright 5.76mm EVF, 8-stop IBIS, and dual card slots make it ideal for both serious videographers and action shooters, all in a durable, weather-sealed body. Thanks for watching! If you found this breakdown of the top mirrorless cameras helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to stay updated with the latest gear reviews, and drop a comment below letting us know which camera impressed you the most.